Yeah, no, I am.
I seriously cannot hear that machine sound.
Wait, hold it up so we know what it is. Okay, that is. Oh, Jesus Christ! I thought you were gonna like hit me with it. That is a Chinese fighting spoon. Very lethal. Okay.
Alright. How do you do it?
Just let go of the top part first before you let go of the bottom.
Take cover. I don't know. I did it.
I almost got hit several times. Oh!
That's a
That was a Tootsie Roll.
Wait, be quiet. I want to see if I can make it.
Oh, wait. Watch this hit me in the eye.
I'm really scared. Wait, how does it make boom? Wait, how does it make a whooshy sound? Is it like high pitched or something?
It goes boom. Yeah, it's like.
Where did it go?
There.
Oh, I can't see
Wait,
it.
is it like this?
Yeah.
Is this like all?
Yes.
Wait, I found it.
I want to try again. Good for me.
See, I anticipated and I thought it was going to go that way, so I went like this.
Oh, I did it one time.
Look out.
Oh, that was amazing. You have skill.
No, I want to try it.
WTF. Oh, you shut up. I just spat all over my camera. I hope you know. Oh my god.
What? This is a fork, Ellie.
Oh god.
Did you get that thing?
Where? Huh? Yes. Oh my god.
Under the chair.
I like how close you are.
You probably bent it like crazy.
Corey tried to aim at me with his toffee and crap.
If I die, I have this on video as proof.
Wait, that's backwards.
It's okay, do it that way. Try it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's not.
Schmidt.
Forks work better.
It was back.
I'm sorry. I thought you were going to do something important. You raised it.
Okay, Vinny, I'm gonna try it.
No. Alright. No! Do it. You can't go that far. It's because you're bending it too far at the bottom.
Why are you aiming at me?
Just aim that way. Probably isn't gonna go that far.
Yeah, it's probably not going to hit me. Watch it hit me in the face. Wait, I'm going to try it. Somebody take the camera. Oh, god damn.
Oh, man. Like, don't press the button or anything, because it'll go off. Alright.
There's this spoon. I gotta get... Here's the spoon.
Ellie, totally graceful all the time. Okay,
Which way do I do it? This way?
Let's talk about this on camera.
Sorry.
So, I was explaining to my cousin how the guys were playing, like, Duck, Duck, Goose, just spin the bottle or whatever with the lightsaber. And whoever it landed on, we had to stick the lightsaber up their ass. And she's like, wow. I'm like, it's because they want it up there. They just really haven't.
Because they're not allowed in each other's rooms. If they make too much noise with each other, they're gonna get like,
Oh my god!
oh my god, oh god. What's the difference?
It's right there. No. Are you okay? Where is it? By your shoe and my shoe?
If I threw it.
Oh, you threw it? No.
Where is... Oh, you still have it.
Wait, let's be quiet. Did it make a whisky sound?
Yeah.
Here, hold the camera.
Are we having a riot?
Yes.
We're having a riot.
Oh, God.
Oh God, that's a fork.
It's gonna stab her in the eye.
Wait, is that a fork someone already bit off?
Yes, probably. It was probably... Oh.
Oh.
Yay! Sam, there's a spoon.
Four.
See, this is a spoon. Hey, no. That's a spoon. This is a spoon.
Feather.
Sorry, do that again?
I did not lick it.
Wait, what?
This is what?
Feather.
The camera, pull it back.
What is it?
It's a feather.
Why?
I think. I don't know.
What do you do?
Like, you can't see it. It's like just a little
Ellie.
pink thing. Oh my God. Please don't. It'll hit me in the forehead and I'll be like a little black eye. That was like not far.
Epic fail.
I swear to God. I swear to God.
What seriously makes it?
I'll cry.
Alright, here. I'm gonna bend it back because it's bent too much.
Keep going.
What are you doing?
Keep going. Keep
What are
going.
you doing?
Flake your spoon.
Sorry, what was that?
Oh God,
That's my rapper. Are you trying to be color guy?
That was a wall.
Are you trying to be color guard?
Hey Taylor, wanna like give a little shout out to Dan?
Hey baby. Who is shaking? I'm 6 hours down from you. My corner.
And that is Taylor walking away.
You'll find me on the corner.
Excuse me.
Quite often.
Quite often. $5 an hour. Good.
Damn, that's cheap.
What are you trying to do, Taylor? Oh my God! Do you know how strong this stuff is?
Where's the spoon?
Like, there. I'm not getting it though.
Don't lift that. That's a mess over there and over here and down here.
Yeah, we've been living here for 4 days, and this is already all the crap that we've accumulated. Most of the Pepsi cans are mine, actually. I like Pepsi. Not as much as Ryan's girl. He downed 3 bottles in 1 hour. Wasn't that when he was, like, depressed? And I will kill you. Fail.
Here, I'm gonna collect all the trash because I have a plastic bag in my room.
I'm gonna